Welcome back to the channel. As you've probably guessed, we are going to a French restaurant, Le Relais De Venise, here in the city of London, about 3-4 minutes walk from Bank Station. The original restaurant was set up in Paris, and it's also got one in New York, and obviously here in London as well. This restaurant is super busy, so we've had to get here early. So it's going to be a short intro. Let's get in here now. Oh, come on. Okay, we got in here super early because this gets so busy, so busy. First customer's here, so that's good news. This is one simple menu to explain to you. It's basically a trimmed entrecôte steak, port Millet, with its famous sauce, French fries, and a green salad with walnuts. Now, it doesn't get any simpler than one item on the menu. So this should be absolutely superb. I've ordered the steak rare. The interesting thing is you can't have it medium rare. You can have it rare, medium, well done, blue, raw, but you can't have it medium rare. So that's a little bit unusual. Got the Waldorf salad and some bread here. So really looking forward to this. Let's give it a go. Okay, so the steak's arrived. What's very interesting is our waitress today, she basically puts it on a hot plate, served up half the steak with the fries, has kept half the steak actually nice and warm as well for a bit later on. I've obviously got the salad there and some bread. It comes with their secret sauce. So let's take a look at the entrecôte steak, which is basically a ribeye steak. Ask for it rare. That is rare, absolutely perfect. Super tender. Lovely with that sauce. It's their secret sauce, so you're not allowed to know what's actually in it. Now I'm guessing copious amounts of butter, a hint of thyme. That thyme tastes lovely. Seasoning, cream, and something else which is a secret, and I couldn't tell you what it is. That is gorgeous. Let's try the fries. Very light, very crispy, very Moorish. Let's try them together. I can see what all the fuss is about. That is so tasty. Juicy, tender, cooked perfectly. Oh, absolutely lovely. The salad comes with walnuts and a little bit of French dressing on there. That is very tasty. Very fresh as well. I'm going to give the bread a miss for a moment. I'm going to tuck in here and I'll see you in a minute. So, the waitress has come over. She's put on the second half of my steak. I've got to say, it is out of this world. But the real interesting thing is, would you like some more fries? Would you like some more steak? It's almost bottomless. Oh, and it's so tasty. I'm going to crack on and I'll see you again in a minute. Okay, so just received the bill. You've got to bear in mind, we've only been in here 45 minutes. And we got in here just as it opened at 11:30, and it is absolutely packed in here. Unbelievable. 20 past 12 and we can't move in here. Where do I start with the meal? The steak was exceptional. Cooked perfectly, really tender, lovely and juicy. The sauce on top really complemented it well. No wonder they're keeping it a secret, because I tell you, you don't want to let anyone know what's in that sauce. And that went together with the steak, absolutely gorgeous. The fries were very good. They weren't the best fries I've ever had, but they were very good. Nice and crispy. They were fries. Really enjoyed the salad with the French dressing on there and the walnuts as well. That was very nice. Got to say, portion size, it was a big portion. It was a lot of food there to eat. The service, wow. I've got to say, it's one of the best services I've ever had in a restaurant anywhere. I have to say that the lady was from France. It made it very authentic. Really nice place to come, but you've got to get here nice and early. Let's take a look at the bill. £37.95. That includes a 12.5% service charge. No objection to the service charge. I think that's reasonable value. I don't think it's over the top expensive, because of the location we are. We're only 300-400 metres from the Bank of England here. So it's in a very select area of central London. The ambience of this restaurant is superb. Absolutely superb. What marks am I going to give this? I'm going to give this a 9 out of 10. I'm going to take off half a mark here for the fries, because I found them a little bit, if you like, a little bit greasy, and fries were fries. The other half a mark, I think, is just a little bit for the bill, because it's a little bit expensive, if you like, for what you're getting. But you've got to bear in mind, we are in central London. Now, I highly recommend you come here. I highly recommend you give this place a try. If you could like and subscribe to our channel, I really would appreciate that. Your comments are always welcome, especially if you've been to Relais De Venise. I can't believe I got that perfectly right then as well. Can't wait to see you next time. Until then, cheers.